Alright, so we come to the next video. Let's say today you have many customers. You would like to send the link to request their company information. We have a batch request function to let you do this in a convenient way. This function allows you to batch request by sending the link to their email address. First of all, go to Master Data Customer. On the top right, click the icon with 3 lines, then click on Batch Request Company Tax Information. Here will show you all the customers that don't have a tax entity. From here, you can tick the customers that you wish to send the link to. Make sure the email address is filled in, as the link will be sent to their email address. Then we just click Send Request. Once we click on it, that means customer will receive the link in their inbox, and they just need to fill in their company information accordingly. After they submitted the form, you will receive an email saying that your customer has already filled the tax information for you. What you need to do is back to Master Data Customer, click on Batch Retrieve Company Tax Information. Click on the customers that have already filled the tax information, and then click Retrieve Information. You can see the status over here. Customer tax entity created successfully means that the customer tax entity has been updated in the system. However, if the status showed error, company information record is incomplete, please wait for the customer to fill it. This means the customer has not yet updated their information. As you can see here, tax entity will be mapped back to your customer automatically. So this is how you can make use of this batch getting function.